Guys, hello and namaste. So guys, in this video we will be seeing guidance with respect to love life for them who are in some or the other relationship, committed relationship, dating or married, or you're just in relationship, seeing each other also whatsoever it is. So let's see, and other than this I will get another guidance maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow also, which will be a general guidance with respect to your love life for them who are already in some or the other relationship. So let's start. So the very first card we will see your person's thoughts for you. What are their intentions? What they are showing you? What they actually are? What will be their future plans or action towards you? And last card will be that what are their actual feelings towards you. So let me arrange it well and we will start the guidance. So let's start. And the first card, their thoughts about you. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, guys, not a very good card. Sorry to say, not a very good card. They feel that you are draining their energy. This is what they are thinking. Or this can be vice versa also. I cannot judge, but now this is this reading is especially with respect to your person. So these are their thoughts. Maybe they just want to drain your energy. This can be also the thing, but for few of them they might be feeling that you are just draining their energy, and they are literally wondering that where they stand in life, what to do. They have several options, solution to talk to you, to like move forward from your whatsoever it is, but they are literally wondering. So guys, please be careful. And even here I'm seeing the sun and the moon is also very sad, the first card itself. So please be careful about it, guys. If you are experiencing, then yes, you are dealing with a narcissistic person. It may be a karmic connection also. Learn something from it, guys. This is what has been said. And if your person is feeling so, then I won't judge you, but you need to look within yourself that are you really doing so, draining their energy. Our second card is this, and their intention towards you is very positive. That, like, they want to make you their queen of life, or I won't just go on this card, but a special person in your life, the king or the queen of their life, they wish to make. Like, even though the first card is such, but still these are their intentions. And maybe I don't know from when you are together, but still they are going through whatever they are feeling. I guess they are not even talking about it, whatever they are feeling actually, because they love you so much that they want to make you the empress of their life or the emperor of their life. And that's really great, actually, I would say. Very positive card. Or this can be also a thing that they want to, like, uh, they want to they want you to meet to their family, their mother especially, because this card also gives a very motherly feeling. So this can be also the thing. So who is the main of their house, so this can be also the thing, and it's a really very good card. So let's see what they are showing themselves as. Okay, so they are showing someone like they are the magician of their life. Like, they have each and every skill and all. They also know about each and everything, good and bad, and they know what they are doing in life. Basically, this is what they are trying to show you in life. That maybe you may be advising them again and again, yeah, that you can do this, you do that, be careful about it, but they are like, they're showing you that me, I'm very much aware about each and everything. I'm the magician of my life. This is what they are trying to show you. They have that infinite power and all. This is what they are trying to show you. Okay, now let's see what actually they are. Okay, so they are actually a very fun loving person, like someone whose, inner child is very much active, and they like to be, very much friendly. They might be at times behaving a bit childish also, that maybe you may not like it also. but they are somewhere a very fun loving person. Like you can see such a positivity in this card. It is like full of energy. This is what I am seeing over here. Sun's presence over here, plus this red carpet. So full of energy. This is what I am seeing. Like this person is very positive, whose inner child is very much active. This is what I would say. And this person even prefers that our, each and everyone has that child within us, that particular child within us should be active. Like this person is of that thinking, and it is really like maybe this person loves to travel. This is also what I feel with this card, that they love to travel, they are a traveler also. And now somewhere I'm relating it with the first card, and because like they love to travel, and you may be like telling about that you're not giving them time or so and so, and that is why they might be thinking this first card, that like you are being negative towards them, like you're not thinking about them, you're just thinking about yourself and all. This can be the thing. This is what I'm seeing. Their future actions or plans. Oh wow, so they want to settle down with you. These are their future actions. The second card itself showed it. So these are their future plans towards you. But with this darkness, I'm seeing there might be some challenges or obstacles that may come. This is what the thing is, or whatsoever they are thinking with the first card, whatever are their thoughts. So maybe considering that, that is why this darkness is there. But they want to settle down with you. Like seriously glad who this person is. So they really have a very good planning for you, and that is why the second card, it gave me a feeling that they want to take you to meet their mother or their family or the senior most person of their family, because they want to sit down. And with this darkness, I would seriously say that they are ready to accept you with all of your flaws and each and everything. This is what I'm seeing with this card. Well, there is no judgment over here, so please don't think yourself as wrong also. Okay, now let's see what are their actual feelings towards you. Oh my god. So these are their feelings. Guys, frankly speaking, I would tell you one thing. You really need to talk to your person. Maybe they are not opening up, and maybe that is why they wish to go on a trip, or so maybe they are trying to analyze what exactly they want, or so. Like fine, they want you, but emotionally they are not stable. This is the thing. Like their feelings, their thoughts about you on an emotional level are not at all coming very positive, guys. So I would really like to say, guys, please talk to them. This is what I would say. You may be noticing their behavior also, but maybe you're ignoring it also, thinking that they are busy or something. But please, you need to talk to them, because this card and the first card, it is not a very good energy, guys. Like it shows that they get hurt with this card, but still they try to recover. Like, and they are just are not understanding somewhere, and that is why fine, I said, they wish to settle down with you. But with the darkness, this is the flaws that maybe you both have within you. So hence this darkness has been shown over here, that even with that darkness they are ready to accept you. But really, I would say, please talk to your person. And let me tell you, this is a general reading. If you really feel that seriously there is something wrong with my person, only then talk to them in a polite way, because this is a general reading. And this is what I would say, that like this card is not giving me a very good feeling. So please talk to them. This is what I would say. But overall, cards are quite good. They are ready to accept you. They are literally ready to take you to their family and all everything. But emotionally, somewhere they are not okay with it. Maybe years of dating is there, or maybe like this is a years of relationship maybe, or maybe under pressure or something they are doing. Please, before moving forward, please confirm each and everything, because emotionally the cards are not coming good. So that's a very big thing. On emotional level, if that person is not ready or something, then what's the use of this connection? So please see to it, guys. Okay, thank you.